Welcome to Vridivej Finance. We are presenting Alok Sign Limited. Dear investors and viewers, Vridivej Finance is presenting on the occasion of Sri Makar Sankranti, where India is enjoying the first festival of 2022 according to English calendar. So Vridivej Finance presenting Alok Sign Limited SME IPO 2022. So this is our first IPO of 2022, dear investors and viewers, and that's the reason we are going to elaborate little more now this year. Basically, Alok Sign is engaged in the manufacturing of visual presentation system, namely writing board, display board, notice board of different types of, along with associated accessories and stand used for this board, school benches, deck and their accessories. Our company having manufacturing unit at plot number 12, MIDC, Saravali, Bhivandi 421311. Alok Sign M/S Alok Sign display system, wide purchase of a business agreement dated 20th March 2020 enter between Alok Sign display system and Alok Sign Private Limited, wide agreement mutually decided. Actually both name are quite same, but it's a display system initially and then it is Alok Sign has shown their name. Okay, so that is they are having a manufacturing unit, as they said. Their product baskets including trademarks such as Alok Sign, Sit and Study, Brainy, Glass Bow, Ultra X and Ultra. We focus on our research and development effort on developing product which is believe in innovative inline trends. We have the product of glass whiteboard under the brand name Glass Bow. Some of key features of products including compatible with any market pen, wipe away easily without staining or ghosting, and last as much as the lifespan of the wall. We establish the presence across the country in 22 states, supplying their product around 22 states. We are moving ahead towards with the establishment of presence international market. We have supply our product in Saudi Arabia during financial year 2020 till 2021. We cater to distribute our products wide dealer distribute network, and in that case they are having e-retailing, means online also. If you want to buy their product, you can buy it on their website aloksign.com itself. So Mr. Sameer Narendra Shah and Akshay Narendra Shah are the promoter of this company and considered to be the industry. Basically they have given their promoter details over here, and in that case we are going to talk about they are also quality certified ISO 9001 and till 2015 ISO 14001 2015 OHSAS 18001 2017 ISO 45001 2018 were Green Guard certificates of compliances, BIFMA level 3 manufacturing supply various display and writing boards, notice board, felt cork board, stand glass board, up down board accessories, furniture item, desk and benches. So they are having a 50 registered dealer domestically in Pan India across 22 states in 2021 itself, where they are having good amount of relationship according to them. Okay, so this is they are having their dealers in tier 2 city as well as tier 3 cities also available. See, wherever any kind of any kind of educational institute is there, then there is a board is also required to teach, or any presentation if somebody wanted to give on the basically in hotels and all, this kind of boards is used more. Notice board, then there is there are number of boards they can give it to basically. So to display rather than assisting somebody, anybody can put it the board, go this way that way, so the board is always required. Ceramic coils, ghee sheet, pre-painted resin, coated steel, adhesive, cotton, ABS corner, and procurement of raw material done from both domestically and international market. So how this board has them made, they used aluminum frame, plastic board, raw material, so they acquire this kind of material domestic as well as in international level. So that's the reason. See, look, during the COVID crisis, or we can say there are a number of small SMEs has got affected during this kind of what during this kind of economic crisis, and that's the reason many IPOs are upcoming very soonly. We can expect it. Apart from that, if you we are going to tell you, the group of entities or the group of promoter entities are basically the name is Kuber Safe Vault LLP, Traveler Fashion Private Limited, M.S oblique M oblique S, Senate Office System, M oblique S, Still Wall Interior, M oblique SMS, that is Senior Agency, Span Distributor, and Akshay Shah HUF and Samir Shah HUF are their group of entities of promoters group. Alok Sign Limited Company detail, dear viewers, this company has registered 20th March 2020, and yes, they have changed as from Alok Sign Private Limited to the limited company on 21st December 2021. There are total more than 30 employees are there. So, and they are based in Bhiwandi, Thane. Their website name is aloksign.com. Alok Sign Limited SME IPO detail, IPO opening date 18 January 2022, IPO closing date 21st Jan 2022, issue type fixed price issue IPO, face value 10 rupees per equity share, IPO price is 45 rupees per equity share, market lot 30 shares, minimum order quantity 30 shares, listing at BSE and SME. Basis of allotment date 27 Jan 2022. Initiation of refund will happen on 28 Jan 2022. Credit of shares to your demat account 28 Jan 2022. IPO listing date will be 1st Feb 2022. Dear viewers, this is SME IPO. That's the reason we can't say anything. But yes, probably there is one main board IPO we will launch today video. You can check out for that in links very soonly, tonight only. Thank you. By Prithvish Finance. We will come back to you with another whiteboard.